I don't know why they called my name. I was told I was here for tech support. I'm fucking with you guys. I have taxis outside. No man, I'm really fucking with you guys, man. I know what y'all are gonna be thinking right now. Why the fuck does this dude sound like an Indian? No, I mean not sound like an Indian, sound like an American, a black guy. Sound like a black guy when he looks like a light-skinned Puerto Rican. Well, I'm gonna tell you why I sound like a black guy. I sound like a black guy because when I moved here I was 13. First time. And very early on I realized that I'm gonna have to change the way I speak. Because it was not only because I was bullied a lot. It was not because a lot of people told me to get the fuck out of here and go back to my own country. It was not because I would make fun a lot. It was because I walked up to this girl one day with my Indian confidence. I looked at her and I said, "Hey baby, you want to have lunch with me?" That's the reaction I got. Man. So that day, from that day, I decided, I'm like, yo, I'm gonna sound cool. Nah, fuck this shit. I'm gonna sound cool and who the coolest people in the world? Black people. Yeah. So I'm like, I'm gonna craft and perfect this persona and make it my own, and it can match my Indian confidence then. And then I'm gonna be like this, right? So I did this shit, right? And I did it for years. I did it for years. Now it's ingrained in me. So now when I go up to a girl, I sound smooth. I sound sexy. I serenade her. Baby, lock them doors and turn the lights down. And play some music that is soft and slow. Well, baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. Bing. Girls come up to me like, ah, so sexy. Now imagine if I do that shit with an Indian accent. Baby, lock them doors and turn the lights down. Play some music that's soft and slow. And baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. Hello, mommy, I just found it. Now, if I do that shit, that's not serenading, man. That's a fucking lawsuit. I go from Jamie Foxx. I go from being Jamie Foxx to being a creepy Indian dude on that Facebook messaging Jessica Fox. Nice big deal. Can you show me Bob's and Vagine?